We are in IISR, Indian Institute of Sugarcane Research, and 3 days conference is national conference is going on. We have the director of the IISR, Dr. R. Viswanathan. Sir, welcome to the Uttar Pradesh Times. Tell me about the conference. What kind of conference is going on?
Yeah, this our conference is on on plant pathology. This is annual conference of Indian Phytopathological Society. The title is Plant Disease and Food Security, Threats and Promises. So the idea of this, main idea of this conference is to bring together all the plant pathologists working across the country on a single platform to discuss on the various emerging issues, especially in various crops, either it food crops or horticulture crops, ornamental crops, or some production technologies in mushroom or constraint in mushroom production. And these are the main mandate. But we have to, since it is a plant pathology is a vast science, now we have divided this conference into different thematic areas. And major thematic areas we will be discussing are on the, especially on the diagnostics, how the molecular diagnostics will take up, and emerging areas in the diagnostics and field diagnostics to identify the disease infected plants or the crops, and then our application of artificial intelligence and smart agriculture tools in plant disease management, and taxonomy of plant pathogens, say it is a fungal, bacterial or viral pathogens, and with the emergence of various tools, especially molecular tools. Now molecular systematics is emerging as a major area. So we are discussing on this particular area also. And apart from that, and since the conference being hosted at IISR Lucknow, we will be discussing on sugarcane, especially on red rot of sugarcane, or that is integrated management of red rot in sugarcane, and also perspectives on sugarcane. Apart from that, we have various other technical sessions on plant disease management, that is integrated management of various diseases with more emphasis on biological control and identification of new generation molecules to manage the disease. So these are the other areas where we will be discussing at depth. And apart from that, this we will be discussing more on breeding for disease resistance.
Sir, tell me about the how the farmers are getting. I think you are doing work in molecular basis, as you
Yes.
said. So genetically modified foods are going on. I think in market broad area, broad scale. So what kind of work you all are doing in genetical order?
Now broadly we are now for more focus is on genome editing. So since genome genetically modified organisms or the transgenic plants, there are some concerns are there, biosafety issues are there, and also this is taking long duration to identify the, after identifying the merit or developing the material to take it the material to field. But now the genome editing tools is almost very easy tool to modify the expression of the particular gene, so that these genome edited plants are different from genetically modified plants. We are not introducing any foreign genes in genome edited plants. So this is the future strategy that our DDG was also made a mention, that genome editing is a given focus by ICAR. Now for that only thing we have to identify these candidate genes, which candidate genes we are going to use. Just we are going to alter the expression of the genes. So that doesn't involve any transgenic work.
You used foreign gene or
No. Within genome edited plants, we are not using the foreign gene, but we are only using the tools.
is there genetical disorder or you can say disease in crops of sugarcane? How can you prevent it?
No, so sugarcane now our focus is on identifying candidate genes for red rot resistance, and that we will be using for genome editing. So by altering the expression of the genes, we will be getting genome edited plants. So that is work is now we have started at Lucknow and also at Sugarcane Body Institute, Coimbatore. The work is going on.
Okay. He is the director, Dr. R. Viswanathan, who told us about the conference and about the work which is going on for the crop of sugarcane. Yogesh Mishra, Uttar Pradesh Times, Lucknow.